Want this? Or this? Or change any image to cinematic video with sound effects? Or want to make this type of high-quality image in just one click? In this video, I'll show you how Higgsfield brings multiple powerful AI models into one platform, and how you can use them step by step to create professional AI videos. I'll cover image generation, video generation, audio, and even a full cinematic workflow. Let's start. So, click on the link which I have given on description. First, let's know what is Higgsfield. Higgsfield is an AI video creation platform designed for creators. Instead of switching between different AI tools, Higgsfield gives access to multiple high-quality models for image generation, video, audio, and cinematic workflows, all in one place. Let's start with Nano Banana Pro, which is a next-generation image engine inside Higgsfield. This model is designed for creators who need clean, production-ready visuals. One of the biggest advantages here is resolution control. You can generate images in 1K, 2K, or even 4K, and upscale lower resolution images to crisp 4K quality. So let's try it. Upload image from here. And right here, prompt what type of image you want to generate. Or just use ChatGPT for prompt. Select Unlimited. Choose how many image you want to create. Now click on Generate. Here you can see how cool this image generated. With the help of this AI, select the image which you want to download and click on Download. Next is Kling 2.6 Audio, which is a multimodal AI engine that generates visuals and audio together. This means you don't need separate tools for voice, ambience, or syncing. Okay, let's try it. Upload your image here. Write your prompt. On audio, select here Kling 2.6 and select duration. Click on Generate. After waiting 2 minutes, it generated a video. Let's watch it. Oh wow, what a relaxing sound and video it generated. Literally giving me 10 by 10 anime vibe. I liked it very much. There are more interesting features which you can try. Let's try one more features. This features have so many trends in edits. Select here and choose Earth Zoom Out. Now remove image and prompt. And upload new image. Now click on Generate. Wait few minutes. And here your final video ready. Next is WAN 2.5. It is a more unrestricted and culture-native AI video model. It's designed to handle bold prompts, internet-style language, and creative freedom. Now let's try it. First, choose presets from here. I will choose this one. Then upload the image. Paste the prompt. Choose WAN 2.5. Select duration and resolution. Click on Generate. Let's see it. Oh, are you kidding me? No way, it's perfect. Look at the hair and the animation, it looks so nice. Literally, it generates 8 hours of work in 2 minutes. Amazing. Let's try one more. This time, I will choose this one. Nice. Now let's next one. Now let's talk about Cinema Studio, which is designed for creators who want a full cinematic workflow. Instead of jumping between tools, Cinema Studio lets you go from text to image to video in one unified flow. Now let's see how it's work. Here is two features. First is image and second is video. So first try image features. Select image ratio. Choose image quality. Now this is very important. This are camera and the lenses, which give actual vibe of films and cinema. Choose the lens and camera according to your image. But first pass your prompt for image. You can upload image too for reference. Now back to camera settings and select recommended. I have already saved my presets, so I will choose saved one. Now select how many image you want to generate. Now click on Generate. Here you can see it generate 2 images according to the prompt. Look at the quality of the images, so good. Now select Image and click on Animate. Now we have to generate this image to video, so paste the prompt here. Select the animation which you want to give. I will select this one. Select the ratio. Click on Generate. Oh wow, it looks so real with sound effects. I feels like I am really watching movie. So that all in today's video, guys. There are so many features in this AI tools which you can go and find out.